Chi-town redneck. We're gonna do some bluegill redneck. Oh my god.
I'm gonna set up a little mix. Just a few.
What are we doing?
It's a little secret. Secret sauce.
Secret sauce.
Secret sauce.
Wow.
Oh shit.
Look at that. Beautiful.
It's good sauce.
So, what is one of the secret ingredients that you can share? Which one?
Oil.
Very good.
Can't give it up. Cajun. Got some homemade tartare.
And what's in the tartare?
That's another secret. You have to kill you if I told you, right?
Hit the what?
I have to kill you if I told you.
You got that on camera.
Uh-oh.